It's been a long time, and it's been long. I can't like, well, not that too long. So I've been quite busy. That's why you did not see me live here. And I know a lot of you have missed me, and I've missed you too, guys. My great, great, great YouTube family. Today is Monday. Yeah. Can I say Monday evening or Monday night? Today is Monday evening. Yeah, Monday evening, Monday night. Right now, I'm not at home. I traveled for a job, and I just finished today. I couldn't go home because of time. It was too late for me to start traveling on the road, so I had to lodge and then sleep here in Abuja, Nigeria. And then by tomorrow, I'll be on my way to Benue State, to my state, to meet my friends, family, and loved ones. So if you're here watching me, as you're watching me, I'm watching you, and we're having a conversation. At times, I always love if my viewers can engage in a conversation with me. It feels good when you are live and you see your viewers having a good conversation with you, like a chat, yeah. And it feels good when I have great people like you here, my family, yeah. I call you my family because you are part of this channel, and you're always here to support, to make this channel go forward. And you have been so amazing, and I believe that one day I'll meet some of my family here, my Benue Family TV here. I'll meet them. I will have a talk live and direct. Maybe it's not going to be on the screen like this, like the one we have here. So after all that being said, there was this guy, Mr. Reliable, who wanted to break the Guinness Book of Record, like Iron Marathon. So they called me to go and cover the event, and I came. And the guy really did a great job. He ironed for 115 hours, like 5 days straight. Like the marathon was so stressful. And I came with my team. We were 3 of us. So what we'll do sometimes, we'll go to, so now I go to the hotel, sleep, come back the next morning, then they go sleep, then I go back home in the hotel in the evening, sleep. You know, that's how we were running shifts to make sure to cover the event proper. And we on our camera for 5 days, recording that. And the guy tried, and God helps him. He's a record holder. But well, when we send the video to Guinness Book of Record, we'll know what they're going to do next. But just imagine someone ironing clothes for 5 days. And they had a lot of some big sponsors who sponsored the event. And it was awesome. It was so good. If you look at one of my shorts, you'll see some of his videos when he was ironing. And I set up my 2 cameras. What I did, this is what I did. I had 2 Sony cameras that I was using. So just for me not to miss the time, this was what I did. So let me give you the gist. For me not to miss the time, please share this live. Share. I came live at this time to know where most of my viewers are coming from. So I feel like most of my viewers are coming from Nigeria and other countries, and America, yeah. So if you're my viewer here, let me know where you're watching me from. I will appreciate, yeah. Just write it down, just on the chat, just write you're watching me from so place, I'll be glad if you write it down. Yeah, but if you don't feel like, it's okay. So I set my 2 cameras, and the other one was just there for standby. So this is what I did. I started recording with the other one. We record. So we calculate the time. We put a timer, like, okay, this video is gonna be end. It's gonna end for in the next 5, 6, 7 hours. So we set a timer on our phone. So once it's that time, or maybe 10 minutes before that time, or 30 minutes before that time, then we'll start recording from the other camera. So when we start recording from the other camera, then we'll remove the card and we'll copy RAM. Okay, I don't understand. I don't know where. I don't know the meaning of that. So we'll post and then start recording from the other camera, and then it will record like maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Then we'll post the other one. Then we'll remove the memory card, we'll copy, and then from there we'll come back, we'll format it and put it in the other camera again. Then we'll stop this other one and start recording from the other side. So this is what we did, and we were able to cover the event, the Guinness Book of Record event, without having any issue of video breakdown. And there was an issue that they had while they were doing the timer that they set for the time that was running for the record. At the point when the stuff reached about 90 something hours, then the watch stops, and then I think it reset again. So in that point, we were still recording. Yeah, RAM 1589. Where are you watching from? So what we did, we reset they reset the time, so it started counting from 1 again, but our own camera was still recording, you know. So we record, and at the point we stopped, and it was great. Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Yeah, and can I say, even we will break the Guinness Book of Record for recording for good 5 days, like straight. Yeah, but it was awesome. I'm happy that I had the kind of experience to record that kind of stuff, and I'm happy that we did not lose anything, we did not miss any footage. Where you are from? Povis. Okay. Wow, thank you for watching all the way from Povis. It's good to have you here, bro. Good to have you here, bro. Thank you for joining my channel. So I was happy that we were able to record a video, and it was awesome. It was great. I really enjoyed what I was doing, and they were happy with me. And at a point, I become a hype man, you know, trying to make the guy, trying to cheer him up to not get tired, because it's tiring. Because when you imagine somebody is recording for 5 days, or ironing for 5 days, you know, when you're ironing, you can see the heat that comes from the iron that enter through your face, you know, through your body. At the point, the guy said he was not seeing anymore. He wasn't seeing because of what? The level of heat that was going through his body. You know, it was so stressful and then painful, but I really thank God that, oh, I'm going to subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Your subscribe is very important to me. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So how are you in Povis? How is Povis today? And yeah, like I said, if you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. I think it's always good for us to know our viewers and where they're watching us from, and we know where our video is going to reach or where our video is going. So on this channel, like I said, you will experience a lot of things like travel vlog and visiting places, and then entertainment, and then lifestyle. That's what sometimes when I'm doing 1 or 2, I make videos, and then you look at it and you see, wow, this guy is making videos of what he's doing, you know. Sometimes when I'm cooking, I still make videos for you guys to see. That's my lifestyle, you know. So The reason why I was not able to. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Are you a YouTuber too? So sometimes the reason why I couldn't stream live on that event, it was because of copyright issue. When you are recording on YouTube, when you are streaming on YouTube and you have those copyright issues, that was the reason why I couldn't stream that event, because I would have loved to stream the event for people to watch, but I think I don't have enough gadget. Yeah, I remember have enough budget. I would have used OBS, then look for a music, the background music that will be playing while the guy will be doing the stuff, so that the music that the DJ was playing would not be able to get into my live stream. So I was not able to do that, but maybe next time, as we grow, we'll do more. So in the next few days, maybe next week or after next week, I'll be visiting some places. Yeah, I'll be visiting like places where they produce some of the villages. Yeah, I'll be visiting the villages where they produce mango, where they plant mango, like different kind of mangoes. Yeah, I'm going to be eating different kind of mangoes. Eating it sometimes. Maybe will I be streaming live? I don't think so. Well, maybe I will stream live somehow, or you have 42 subscribers. Okay, just leave a comment on one of my videos, not this particular one, because this live once this live end now, I will not be able to see all those comments again. I don't know why it's like that, but after here I will go and subscribe to your YouTube channel again. You can leave a comment on my this thing, on one of my videos, and from there we can know how we can link up. So I'll be visiting all those places. Like I'll be eating different kind of mangoes, yeah, and then make a video and a documentary about this mango. I'm going to visit the orange farm. There's a place in my state where they produce a lot of oranges. Yeah, they have big farm. Yeah, I'll take my drone there to be able to cover the area view of the orange farm, so that you can see, and I'll have a conversation with the farm owner, and then proceed to where they produce like ogbono. Yeah, ogbono is the soup that we eat in Nigeria. Yeah, that's what we call it. And I'll go to where they plant pears. Yeah, I'll travel to go to where they plant pears, and show you all those natural, beautiful things that we have here in Africa. So you guys will follow me. If you follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, you're going to see a lot of beautiful natural adventure on this channel, and I believe you will support. Yeah, if you have the strength to send a super chat, you can send a super chat. That would be nice, and I'll be glad to have you here at my here on my channel. And sometimes if you want to come live with me, and then we can plan it, and then we'll come here and then discuss some other things, how to make progress and how to make this channel grow. It started like a joke, and we're still making progress. And if you are new here, you are welcome, and if you're old here, you are still welcome. I really appreciate you. Having you here is so great to me. Seeing you here is a beautiful thing. And if you can subscribe to my membership subscription, you can do it. If you have the strength, you can do it. But if you don't have the strength, no problem. You can still stay, because it's not a must that you must be here with me. But if you subscribe, I would really, really appreciate it, because beautiful Benue family, and I'm happy to have you guys here. Okay, I'm in a hotel room where I lodge, so that's why this is not my house, it's a hotel. And the hotel is nice, it's fine, it's okay, I love it. So who is watching? I have one person, or I have 3 people watching me now. So please let me know where you're watching me from, and let me know what you think about this channel if you are just coming. Yeah, but just let me know where you're watching me from. You can just write your chat down there. Let me see. I have somebody from Povis who is watching me, and he has subscribed to my YouTube channel. And I told him to leave. I don't know whether he's a him or she, or he's. I don't know whether he's a he or she, but after everything, I will subscribe to the channel, to his channel or to our channel or to their channel, and then let me know how we can move forward and then support each other. You know, as for me, I'm glad. I'm so happy to be here. It's a thing of joy to be here with you guys. You know, the journey on YouTube is not. It's very good and it's very stressful. Yeah, there's stress. Yeah, yes, there's stress. But if you put the energy, you see result. Anybody that puts good energy and you have your niche, you know who are your audience. Yeah, when you have your audience, you succeed on YouTube. But when you don't have audience, you don't succeed. But when you have your audience, what is your niche? Who do you want to reach out to? Do you want to reach out to people like me? Like me, I'm so attracted to documentaries. Yeah, I I love watching documentaries very much. I love documentaries. So see some of the YouTubers, um, especially most of them here in Africa, when the Maya, Tayo, and Chubike and so many more. I love watching documentaries where they travel around the world to see different things in the world, and I'm looking forward. Yeah, one day I will do that very soon. I'll start doing that, but let me start at the little point, the one I have. Yeah, the one I have around. Let me just start traveling around my vicinity. Then hopefully, as we grow bigger, we'll travel more to see the beauty. Thank you for the like. To see the beauty of this world, especially in Africa. So after I finish exploring Africa, then I will launch out to the whole world. You know, but it's a process. It's a journey that you start. When you start, you grow bit by bit, level by level. It's not something that it's not a journey that when you start, then you are there. No, you have to grow. It's a process. That's why when you have a YouTube channel, you grow. It grows a bit before you have a big stage on YouTube. You have big community, you have subscribers, 1 million, 10 million, or the millions that you have. So those people that have 100 millions or 10 millions or 5 million, why? Because they started from somewhere. So every YouTuber must started from somewhere. You must start from somewhere. But when you are not seeing result, don't be discouraged. Because to me, I see YouTube as a good platform. Yeah, it's very good, and it's very good and easy. YouTube is good. It's very good to communicate with YouTube. They created this platform for people to come and learn something, and when you're coming to learn, you still make money while learning. That's good. So there are some things that you know, and a lot of people they don't know. You have some things that you offer to people, but you're just hitting it. People are asking for that which you have, but if you don't show them that this is what you have, they will not know. They will not know that maybe somebody like you exists or something, you know. So it's very important to come to YouTube, and then if you can come as a viewer and you can come as a creator. Me, as I'm on YouTube, I'm a viewer too, I'm a creator too. So because there are some people I look up to, I watch their videos and see what they do so that I'll be able to balance my content creation, because it's what we do to help us to have a good experience. Yeah, and it's very important. So if you have a talent, you have a skill that you feel like you want to show people, to teach people, you come to YouTube. YouTube is the best platform to do that. For me, I don't know about you, but for me, YouTube is the best platform, and Yeah, you can, if you want to try some other places, you can try. But for me, I love YouTube and I love the energy YouTube has. And I will encourage everybody, if you're a YouTuber or if you're not a YouTuber, you create your, start creating short videos. Yeah, short videos are very important and it helps people to know what you're doing. So guys, once again, you're welcome to my channel. I've been talking a lot, so if you are new here, you're welcome. If you're old here, you're still welcome. So I would love if you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from, and let me say hi to you, and then talk to people in your country, so I can even speak your language. Yeah, well, if I speak correctly, yeah, that'll be fine. And what's that? I don't even know what I did. So at least 1 minute of a video is needed to start a highlight. Okay. So if you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. Where are you watching me from? Communicate. Like. Just say a like and do super chats, super thanks, and whatever you can do to support this channel. You can do it. We're just coming up. It's just a movie that is playing. Okay, let me take some words so that I'll have some strength to talk more. I people responding. Okay, bye bye. Oh, thank you. Let me see if I can check this person on YouTube. Let me see. I just want to see if I can check this person on YouTube. Okay. You are God from beginning to the end. There's no place. Ram 1589, something like that. Oh, I would have asked him. Okay, yeah, I found him. Oh, great. Oh, thank God I found him. Wow. Okay, let me look at his channel. Okay, I've just subscribed to my friend's YouTube channel. Ram want to somebody, you know, if you can look at it. I just subscribed to his channel. And I think he's a little boy. Okay. He plays game. Like he loves game a lot. Okay, he's a gamer.
So, in when I made the video, you gave me 30 subs, and I saw a regular.
Okay, that's good. Let me comment on his video. And I wish he can just. Oh, there's no way. Oh, he off his comment. I can comment. Why? This comment section is. Okay. All right. So, if you're a YouTuber here, if you have a channel, just tell me. I will subscribe to your YouTube channel. You know, you can write the name of your channel down, then I will subscribe to it. Hello, Rose. How are you? Rose, how are you doing? Thank you for joining me. Yeah, good to see you. How you doing today? I hope you're good. Good to see you too, Rose. Thank you so much. And you're cute too. How you doing, Rose? Rose, where you from? Where are you from, Rose? Rose, Rose. Can I call you Rose? Sub, Don, like Don. Where you from? Can I call you Rose? Yeah, I love that song. I say, can I call you Rose? Rose Mali. Malia. Is that Malia? Malia. 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 Okay, I should call you. Can I call you Rose? So, Rose, where are you from? Where you're streaming from? Thank you for joining my live stream. Where from, Mali? Wow. Are you a YouTuber? Okay, normally, okay, Mali, okay. Oh, this is you. Okay, yeah, you have a YouTube channel. Is you right? I guess this is you. Can I call you Rose? Milia. 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 I'm looking at your YouTube now. about Nigeria is beautiful. Nigeria is beautiful. I'm going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Just look. At least, okay, look here. I'm going to subscribe. Bim. Done. I've subscribed to your YouTube channel. Oh God, it's crazy. So for how long? How long do you start YouTube? Thank you so much. Yeah, I have 5,000 subscribers, and it's still counting. And you have 1,700 subscribers and still counting. That's good. What kind of videos do you do? A question I asked before sleeping. I don't want to play it because if I play it now, I'll have some copyright issues. So probably I will check it later. But I would like and comment on this video so that I will come and see it later. When am I coming to Kenya? Well, for now I don't know, but I'm still trying to. Yeah, when I have enough money, then I'll come to Kenya to travel. Yeah, because I'm going to travel different part of Africa, and for now I'm traveling around Nigeria. I'm going to start traveling around Nigeria. So afterwards, then I'll try to travel out of Nigeria. You know, it's a process. Okay. You want to send for my flight tickets? Rose, you want to send for my flight ticket to come to Kenya? You know, I would love to explore the beautiful culture of Kenya. Okay, no, it's not a process. You know, I would love to explore the beautiful culture of Kenya. So, oh, you can? Why not? Okay, that's good. So, I would love to explore the beautiful culture of Kenya. Yeah, Africa. Yeah. Oh, you stream live too. You accommodate me for free. Thank you so much. That's so kind of you. This is you. Are you preaching here? What? Yeah, that's what it said. Today I visit the beach and so on. Say. So you have not started anything on YouTube? Wow, flight here to Kenya is so expensive, man. You and your friend. But I'll have to check, Sha. I'll have to check. Well, I'm from Benue State, but I base in Lagos. That's where I base. My base is in Lagos. That's where I base. I base in Lagos, Nigeria. This your beach is far. The video is okay. Now you're in the beach now. I wish I can play it out to hear what you were saying. But after here, I'll play it. Yeah. You know, the video I did, I went to the beach. Like, the beach is like one of the dirtiest beach in Lagos, yeah. And I went to that beach. It was cool, but I love the experience because people that I met in the beach, those little boys, they were swimming, and I was just watching them, and it was fun. If you check my channel, you see one of that video that I went to the beach. Maybe that one I can play to you. You'll see. Wow. What are you coming to Nigeria to do? What is bringing you to Nigeria? Da-dum, da-dum, dum-dum. Da-dum, dum-dum. Okay, you can write it down. Da-dum, dum-dum. I just think that YouTube should do like an inbox. Yeah, I think they should do something like that. Yeah. While you're on YouTube, you'll be able to chat. Oh, coming for adventure. Oh, which part of Nigeria are you coming for adventure? So to me, I think YouTube should do an inbox. I think it's good that you do a video about that, you see? So they are not, you don't have, can I say, how do I put it? You don't have husband. You came look for a husband. Okay. It's fine. Yeah, I pray you find. Alright? Coming to look for a husband, alright? Yeah, you'll find, definitely. You'll surely find. So that's when you, okay, that if you're married now, then you're based in Nigeria, right? Is that so? Okay, this is my video that I'm talking about. Look at this one. What is it? Okay, look at this video. This one. When I went to the beach. Okay, I had to play before it to play. Can you see? Which app do you use in editing your videos? Can you see? Okay, you are kidding. Okay. Which app do you use in editing your videos? Like this beach now, Lekon Beach, is like it's the most dirtiest beach in Lagos, you know. Can't you see how it's dirty? So which of the app do you use in editing your videos? Like this video I shot with my iPhone XR. So when I was going to that beach, this is what happened. Let me tell you something. You use CapCut, beautiful. But do you color grade your videos? Do you do color grading? So when I was going to the beach, yeah, it's very dirty. So when I was going to the beach, I wanted to carry my camera, but you know, my camera is just so expensive. So I wouldn't want anybody to come and disturb me or have issue with people. I use iPhone XR and I use a Vivo 27E. This is a Vivo phone. The other one I'm using for streaming is iPhone. So I carried my phone and I used my phone to record. And even if I'm doing most of my travel videos, some places that are not safe, I'll carry my phone and use it and do my videos. I have this small camcorder. Yeah. Okay, the camera I use a color gradient. Okay, I have R5, Canon R5. Canon R5, that's the name of my camera. So that's the camera I use, Canon R5. I would want to, but a GoPro camera. Yeah, if you have a GoPro, fine. And for now, I don't have a GoPro camera, but that's why I use my phone. But right now, GoPro are so expensive, they're so expensive. Like, if you look at that video that I showed to you, the video is very nice. I love the video and the way I did the color grading. Now, let me show you one secret. When you are shooting with an iPhone, set your video on 4K. Set it on the highest resolution. Not so expensive. Okay. Do you have one? I have a friend in Kenya who we met on the YouTube Made For You. Did you do the YouTube Made For You classes? Did you do it? Or if you don't do it, I would say, oh, you miss out. Let me charge my phone. Let me get my charger from there. Just a minute, let me get my charger so that I can charge my phone. Just a minute. Let me plug my phone so that. All right, I'm back. Well, it's not about you use iPhone 13 Pro Max, yeah? Me, I don't use that. Mine is just XR. But if you watch that video, you can see how clean the video is. So, me, I'm a photographer by profession and a cinematographer. So sometimes it's always good when you are making your videos. Hello guys, thank you for joining me. If you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. I have my friend all the way from Kenya. So before you shoot your video, you clean your camera, yeah? Clean your camera lens so that you can have a good. No, the camera is not here. Now, right now, where I am now, I'm in a hotel. I travel. So right now I'm in a hotel, so I don't have the camera with me here. So what I have is just this. My other cameras are where they are somewhere. So but my main camera is not here. But as you follow me, you see my camera R5, Canon R5. It's a good camera. You can search it online and see. Yeah. So now this video that I'm showing to you now, that you're seeing, so I saw this guy when he was speaking like Seychelles. So I wanted to go and talk to him, and it was funny that when I approached him, The way the guy looked at me, it was saying that something else is controlling. You know, he looked up, he looked down, and I said, okay, let me just find. What do you say? Are you in the lodge? Yeah, like I said, I'm in a hotel. I traveled, so I'm going back on tomorrow morning. So I'm in a hotel. That's crazy. So if you have iPhone, which phone do you say you have again? If you're 11, is it 13 Pro Max? If you have 13 Pro Max, it would be nice if you can shoot your video on 4K. Yeah, when you shoot your video on 4K, then you edit it with your CapCut as usual. You know what CapCut does? You know, you edit it as usual. Then you do color grading. You know, and you see your video will come out well. Like this one I shoot. If I don't tell you that I shot this video using my iPhone, you not believe the sound. I did not even use any external mic. I use my iPhone mic. That's what I use in making that video, and I love the result. It's just that the video has not gotten views, but I know that it's YouTube. One of these days, the video will get views. Okay, I will teach you. Maybe you should just drop your number and then let's see how we can work things out. Is that all right? But I can see you already. No, I did not see it though. I did not see your number. I'm serious. I didn't see your number. Yeah, I've been monetized. Did you drop your number? The number is not showing on the comment section. No, you did not drop your number. You did not drop your number. You did not drop your number, my dear. I asked you a question. Did you go for YouTube Made for You program? No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There's no problem. There's no problems. You know, the aim of conversation is when you are talking to somebody, you are able to understand each other. That is the aim of that is the aim of conversation. Yeah. The number is not coming up. I can't say anything. Can I write too? Can I comment too? Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can comment, yeah? If I can comment. The number is not coming, it's not showing at all. I don't know why. Let me see if I can comment on my video. If it is possible for me to comment. I'm trying to watch it, so if it is possible for me to comment, then I will comment. Okay. Facebook, what do you call it? YouTube is not giving me that opportunity to comment, but that's what I'm saying. That if YouTube can have something like an inbox, yeah, if they have an inbox, that will be fine. So, okay, now are you on Instagram? If you're on Instagram, let me know. So I will show you my Instagram handle. I think that's the best thing. think I still need to put my Instagram handle on the. Okay. Oh, I can comment. Oh, beautiful. Okay, let me see if I can comment anyway. 069866210. Okay, so that's my number. Can you see it? That's my number. $254. So funny enough. Well, if you have any questions about YouTube, you ask me and I'll be able to help you out. All right. So let me type the number the one you send. 254725 again 117, right? 117 825. Can I put plus? Don't mind them. Okay, I can put plus. All right. Okay, I travel to Abuja. I'm in Abuja right now. Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, this is the number, right? Okay, let me show you. This is the number. Okay. Oh, see, I'm calling. Look at how it shows. Kenya. You see? It's ringing. Okay. All right. Fine. It's all right. So, if you have anything question about YouTube, you ask me. Yeah. Well, what's your main aim of traveling? Yeah. Well, my main aim of traveling is to see the beauty of Africa and show the world the beauty of Africa, because it's very important. A lot of people think about us that we don't have good things and stuff like that. So it's showing, we have beautiful things, yeah. But me, I will always focus on the culture of Africa, different culture and what they have, Okay, I travel to Abuja. It's for work, yeah. I travel to cover an event, so that's what brought me to Abuja. Yeah, I will come. Kenya. I'll come to Kenya. From Kenya, I'll move to Uganda. From Uganda, I'll move to Tanzania. From Tanzania, I'll move to, maybe I'll come back to Ivory Coast, and from there, go to maybe Senegal, then, maybe go to Ethiopia, just Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, you know. I know Kenya is close to Uganda. Because I have a friend in Uganda, I have a friend in Kenya too. So that's that. We're having a chat here. That's good. Yeah. Why am I not sleeping? I want the time to go so that by the time I sleep, they will break so that we're able to just go on my journey. Oh, sorry, how are you? Sorry. Um, Bresson, how are you? Sorry, I was just looking at my phone. Sorry, don't be angry. How you doing, bro? How you doing, man? Are you a guy or a lady? How you doing? I'm sorry. So, I want by the time I sleep, then before I know, then they will break. Boom. I'll be on the road going where I want to go. Okay, I thought it's a lady. Okay, how you doing, bro? Are you a YouTuber? Are you? Okay, my family, they're in Benue State. Yeah, my family is in Benue State. We need to travel, work, and then. So you are talking about planning a trip in South Africa. Yeah, it's very important. Yeah, it's very important because Africa is beautiful. Some people think that Africa is not beautiful. Africa is beautiful with a beautiful culture, and a lot of people they don't know that. They just feel like Africa is one village that they don't have anything. But Africa is beautiful, man. I love my Africa. I'm so proud that I'm African. No matter how challenges we face in this Africa, but I believe. Oh, okay. So I believe no matter how we have some, like you say, what happened? So no matter how we have um, sometimes bad government and stuff like that, but Africa is so beautiful. Yes, we have. Yeah, that's good. So we have beautiful. Africa is beautiful, and sometimes it's the challenges, the kind of leaders we have that gives us that kind of bad vibes. But in general, Africa is a beautiful place. And the freedom we get in Africa, you don't get it anywhere else. So, you know, At least in Africa is my country, my continent. I travel with freedom. Sid, where you watching from? Um, you like African food? Are you not an African? Where are you from? Are you from Kenya? Now, like the videos I want to do, maybe from next week or in the next 2 weeks, yeah, I'm going to travel where they produce mangoes, where they have plenty mangoes. In that video, I'll be eating different kinds of mangoes, like different kinds of mangoes. Then after that, I'll proceed to where they produce okra, like they plant them in plenty, like big okra farm. Then another video will be about ogbono. I don't know whether you know ogbono. It's a draw soup. And then I will go to where they plant orange, yeah, orange fan. And I will go to where they, yeah, just move some few places. And let me see what I'll be able to produce. I know the adventure is gonna be nice. It's gonna be awesome. So I'll plan for it, gather money and save money for it so that I'll be able to take that trip and get enough content to show people the beautiful things that we have in Africa. Oh yes, I am Kenyan. I don't like the economy. I got to study and not to get employed. No future here. Well, like like these days now, if you study anything in school, I believe we should practice it, all right? And not always waiting on government to give you money or to just employ you. Yeah. Why am I saying this? The reason why I'm saying this is because me, I don't wait for government to employ me. I have a skill, all right? I'm a photographer and I do movies too. So I get some jobs that I normally do and then get my money. You know, I traveled to Abuja to do a job. I spent about 5 days. Yeah, I think 5 days. I came here on Wednesday. Yeah, I think Wednesday. But you know, guess how much they paid me? They paid me almost like, in our currency, that was almost like close to $1,000. Yeah, something like they say 900 or $800. Yeah, that's what they paid me for the job. Now, if you have a skill, as you are there, if you have a skill, focus on your skill, develop your skill, and then you see what you can be able to bring out, you know, to help. Because sometimes when we focus on government a lot, sometimes government disappoint us and feel sad. So to me, what I do, I encourage people, government is good, but don't focus on them. Find a way to do your thing and then make things happen. You know, in that way, that's how you get things done. But when you focus on government that they will provide so many things for you, I think with that, you won't see it. But when you work and make your money and with your skill, then what are you waiting for? You know, there's this tea, is in Uganda they have that tea farm, tea plantation. Is it Uganda or Kenya? I think it's Uganda. That Lipton something something. I think it's in Uganda. Someone should tell me. And the plantation is very big. Is anybody here? Is anybody here? Okay, it's like somebody, nobody's. If you're hearing me, if you're watching me, just let me know where you're watching me from, and let me say hi to you. I'm having conversation. Okay, you're still here. All right. So, what about Rose? Maybe Rose is sleeping. In Kenya now, your time should be around 1 o'clock. Here is it one? Yeah, it should be around 1 o'clock. Here is about 11:50 p.m. 10 minutes to 12. Yeah, I know. I know your time might have gone so far now. So, like I said, okay, my friend, do you have a skill? Like, do you have a skill? Let me know if you have a skill. And if you have a skill, what kind of skill do you have? Let me know the kind of skill do you have. What kind of skill? How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? I know sometimes it be like say nobody send you, that's why I say I did for you, my friend. How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? I know sometimes it be like are you here? Oh, who are sleeping? All right. So, but when if you don't have a skill, I will encourage you to go and learn one skill. Yeah, it's not too late for you to learn a skill, and if you have it, improve on your skill, and then you see what will happen. Okay, now. Yeah. Okay, now look at what you said. You used to do hiking job for people, and this is what I would say you should do. In this you're serving. Hmm? In this you're serving. Use the money and get another skill that can make clients look for you. Yes, now you're looking for them, or maybe you're not paying money to get them. You know, this is okay. Now, when you have a skill that you are making money from, and if it doesn't work, if things start going down, you switch. All right, there's always that opportunity for you to switch, because it's better when you switch, and it looks like when you switch, when you see that things are not going the way I planned, so what am I going to do? Let me just switch and do something else to improve, to keep moving. So, because if you focus on that particular job or that particular skill will not remain forever. So you change that. As time changes, you change with time. I think that helps a lot, you know. So it would be nice if you can just look for something else that will still push money to you. Something else that is good that will still push money to you. It's very important. You know, that's my take. Because like me now, my somebody wanted to break Guinness Book of Record. So the guy was going to iron for 115 hours. So I had an event. So they called me that they want me to come and do the video. Okay, so okay, let me finish this before I was saying. So they called me to come and do a video, record the 100 hours. They called me. I charged them like, okay, let me say $1,000 for the 5 days, and we discussed back and forth. I know the day they paid me like $800. It's not big money, but at least. So when they paid that money, I use the money to rent some things and then combine to my stuff that I have. And I did a job. I finished this morning. I finished this morning. So after that, I'm going my way. That's what a skill can do for you. So now you say you have tried, and you still need to try more, because giving up is not an options. It's not an option. Giving up is not an option. You have to keep trying. You have to keep pushing. Don't try. Keep pushing, because when you push more, the results will definitely come up. At the point when you give up, who lose? It's the person that gives up lose. But if you don't give up, you win. So I encourage you not to give up. Keep pushing and keep going, bro. At the end of the day, you see the result of what you were pushing forward for. Sometimes when we're going through challenges and a lot more, it's a time for us to learn. Yeah, time for us to learn, and those things that we're going through, it makes us to be strong and be focused in future. Because if you're not strong and focused in future, at times you face oh, I'm yawning, I need to sleep. Sometimes you face a lot of challenges, but as you have passed through a lot of things, then you'll be able to make it through. So that is that. Don't give up, my brother. Just keep pushing and keep going. Where did this person go? Rose. Where did she go? Them tempting. Yeah. You know me, at a point in my life, I face a lot of challenges, like a lot. I face a lot of challenges, and this is my lifestyle. Right? When I face challenges, this is what I do. I don't give up. I always try to find solution to that, something that will make me go forward and then improve in my life, so that at least I'll be at least comfortable. That's what I do. So, and it's helping me, and it helps a lot when you do stuff like that. You know, when you see a challenge, you face it, and then you face it, then you move. But if you stick down, that's how you keep going down every day. But if you keep pushing, you are moving forward. You are making progress, you know. So that's that, bro. I hope you understand. Yeah. What? I've spent almost 1 hour something here. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. But I'm happy with this beautiful conversation that I'm having with you people. It gives me joy, and I'm happy. Yeah. I think once it's 12 o'clock, I just need to go to bed. Because tomorrow I'm gonna be on the road for like 4 hours on the road. 4 to 5 hours on the road. It's not easy. It's gonna be a long journey. It's gonna be a long journey. Are you there? Okay, I have ideas. I know I can make a lot if I got into work, but I am a bit worn out. Relationship are not going great. What do you mean by relationship? Is it your relationship with people or your love affairs? What kind of relationship are you talking about? So that I can get it from the angle the angle you are coming from. Be my shoulder. How are you, my friend? How do you do, my friend? You know, sometimes it be like, see, nobody's seen you, that's why I did for you, my friend. How are you, friend? How do you do? I know sometimes it be like, say, yeah, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay. My whole family is in abroad. Is abroad. Love is not working well. My girlfriend cheated on me with an older married man. I am lost emotionally to be honest. I don't have motivation. All right. Okay, now let me treat one. You said your whole family is abroad, yeah? Okay, that love is not working. Like the relationship is not working. And now, like there's the same that would say there are many fishes in the water, right? There are many fishes in the water. If your girlfriend cheated on you with somebody and you know, all right? I think it would be nice if you can move on with your life, all right? Because now you are emotionally down. Huh? You need to encourage yourself and then keep on and keep moving. Move away from that because now this is your girlfriend that did this thing to you and you are emotionally down. This person, she's somewhere enjoying her life. Where you are here stressing yourself, it's not affecting her. Do you get? When you think about that, what you are doing now is not affecting her. She's there wherever she is, enjoying her life. and you're just stressing yourself. Hmm? So looking at that, who is going to be at a loss? Because it's not affecting her. So why don't you pick that as a challenge, then move on with your life? You move on. Because if he cheated on you, sorry, 1 minute. Why do official here? Hi. So sorry about that. So if she's cheated on you, you move on with your life because she's not feeling it and you are here stressing yourself. Who is at lost? Let me tell you something. Before, before I got married, yeah, I had a girlfriend. I'm a married man. You're looking at me. I'm a married man. Let me tell you something. So, before I got married, I had this girlfriend, this girl that I love so much. So, she went to school, and then she got somebody in school, and they started dating, and she behaved as if I don't exist. You know, it was so painful that why she was cheating on me. And there was nothing I could do. And what did I do? I moved on with my life and I left her. So we broke up, she went away, I went my way. Now, just imagine where I was just saying I would be there waiting that one day maybe she will come back. No, I move on to another person because in this life, we have so many girls, yeah. Even in a relationship, even in a marriage, and expand your heart. Give yourself opportunities for so many things. Expand your heart so that if anything happens, it won't affect you that much. Just expect anything. Even in marriage, you expect, just get ready, anything that comes, be able to handle it. So even in marriage, it's the same thing. Expect disappointment. So if you have that at the back of your mind, you'll be able to pick up your life and then move on. So whatever it is, you have to pick up your pieces of your life, whatever you drop them, pick them, move on with your life. I mean, there's a beautiful girl somewhere who is more beautiful than this person that you are trying to die for, who does not even care about you. So, like, if you're a Christian, like someone will say, when another door closes, another one opens. So, get that. Sorry, I'm more comfortable because I'm in a room with one of my boys, and he's just messing anyhow. That's crazy. The AC is on, but I can't take it anymore. Ah, he's farting, yeah? That's the language. In Nigeria, we say somebody, the mess. He's farting. and the whole room is just messed up. Next time I will not lodge in the same room with you. Damn, it's crazy. Why do people mess at night like that? You're welcome. You're welcome, my brother. My brother, somebody they mess so that's why I'm uncomfortable. Like that's why I was just jumping from one place to another. I'm suffering here. So you're not going to sleep. What is this guy sending me his WhatsApp number? Okay, maybe he's want to give me a job. Okay, you told me you have a busy day, so I wish you sleep well and everything goes well. Amen. Thank you so much. I need to travel like 5 hours on the road, so but it's gonna be fine. It's like this person has slept off the roast. But I don't think she's here. Ah, God. Alright, good night. Thank you so much. Have a nice night rest. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please be strong. Do not give up. Be strong. As an African man, be strong. Don't give up. Keep moving. Ah, God, I will not lodge in the room with him, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. How can you be in the room with somebody and just this devil? The AC was on, but I just need to run the fan and actually so that the messing will reduce. myself, Jerry. Sometimes a bit. Excuse me, let me use myself. Where do you shake it? Look one. All right, bye-bye.